In September 2013, the Dutch Wash Alliance launched an innovative new concept, the Learning Trajectory. It's a journey made by 17 motivated participants from the Wash Alliance in which they work and experiment towards a future with sustainable approaches that offer water and sanitation for all. We want to find the secrets of successful approaches that will enable us to reach scale, do more with less, explore and develop ideas and concepts that are valuable for all WASH members. In other words, let's make the Dutch Wash Alliance future-proof. The trajectory has 5 phases: design, search, co-create, experiment, and reflect and share. We've just completed the 4th phase, the experiment phase. The past months were all about learning by doing, experimenting with a new approach or method aimed at reaching sustainability and scale within the participants' respective projects.
My experiment is all about financing sanitation products through artisan and merchant empowerment.
My experiment is about appropriate means of managing water kiosks.
My experiment is bringing all stakeholders into testing the diamond models, stage 4.
Halfway during the experiments, all the participants met in Bangladesh to help each other with the challenges and opportunities they face while implementing the experiments. We then went into the field to visit the work area of the Bangladeshi experiments. From Deepak's experiment on closing the circle of a fecal sludge management value chain to upscaling the Senimart business by Aklima.
This service is so much easy, comfortable, affordable to adolescent girls as well as women.
A pretty impressive sanitation business in the Bagurat municipality, to the working ways of budget tracking by Zobair.
Union should organize the open budget session. That is, the law has been introduced. This is the product coming out from an open budget session. From the last year, they have separated WASH budget.
Budget tracking is a process where people can get their information about their budget, and it also relates to the transparency and accountability and the community participation, and also bridging the service providers as well as the community.
It really inspired the Ghanaian, Ethiopian and Nepali participants to see the working ways of the WASH sector players in Bangladesh. The density of the population, low-cost labor and materials, plus the high level of education offers a lot of potential to reach scale, as there is a huge market to cater to. And because of this, there's a lot of opportunity to innovate with future-proof WASH products and services.
The participants from Bangladesh really did a great job with their fieldwork.
Looking at the relationship building between NGOs and community groups, and as well as the union parish, how they relate, and the way they also respond to national issues. For instance, preparation of budgets to respond to issues at the community level and trickling it back to the municipalities, and as well as inputting it into national budget. I found it very, very important, and I'll take some of these things home.
One thing that I've learned is low-cost sanitation products that artisans can produce using local materials. And I think that with this technology, if I'm able to go back to Ghana with it, then it will go a long way to reduce the open defecation that have been bothering us all these years.
All the learned lessons and exchanging of expertise contributed to an improved execution of the experiments as well as their effectiveness.
I have learned a number of things. One is the relationship with the municipality. That will be helpful to move forward of the business model. And another thing I learned that is not so positive, also helpful for the experiment, the market analysis of the experiment. There is some puzzle to me that the crunching the number, which is the suitable price I feed for the customers. When I shared this with my expert under learning trajectory groups, so they gave me a direction and some strategic points that helped me to fix and to identify that crunching number regarding price.
The first promising results are in, which makes us almost ready for the final phase, reflecting on all the newly gained insights and lessons and share them with all the Dutch Wash Alliance members. You can expect the next film on the reflect and share phase of the learning trajectory in February. Thank you for watching. We hope you keep on linking and learning with us.